So we've got a nice reversal for Beyond Meat, guys, for the first trading day for 2026. So we have to discuss the urgent update for Beyond Meat and where the price will go because the market makers start to buy. Before we go further, remember our content here for education purposes only. Look at this, guys. We got a really good reversal as we discussed from the last week around the 80 cents because all the market is doing fantastic, especially MRVL. They're doing all right. Intel doing fantastic. So the market is strong for today. That's why we have a good reversal for Beyond Meat of almost 6%. And what we take from this, we should watch for the 80 cent as a bottom. And of course, for today, we have to break the 95 cents. You see, we have a nice buying pressure at the day off or yesterday. The market maker saw this opportunity here. The market maker bought a little bit, but we're going to confirm if the market maker actually or the whale bought. Beyond Meat, we have to break this current resistance, which is around the 95. Even if we broke this level, we technically still inside this channel, and this channel will be broken and confirmed around the 116. Or let me just confirm again here around the 120 to confirm a major squeeze for Beyond Meat for 2026. And this year, of course, what we expect here, we expect at least 100% to go nearly around the $2. As long as we hold the 80 cent, of course, because the 80 cent, it is where we gapped up today, and we have another gap here fill, and the price pulled back up again. 5%. The volume is not big because it's just 6 million. We know that Beyond Meat did almost 100 million and above when we squeezed before, when we squeezed here around Monday, 1st of December, and we squeezed here on October last year, 2025. So now we need to have another squeeze, which is holding the 80, breaking the 95 and go toward the 120, 150, and almost the $2. Let me go, guys, in the comment section below what you think about the price action for Beyond Meat for this month and beginning of this year. Are we going to have the $2 again? Or the market maker didn't buy yet around the 80 cents. Thank you for watching. And of course, we're going to have to discuss Beyond Meat by tomorrow again on our live streaming. So don't forget to tune in.